Today we're going to be putting on our Hexagon garage lights. It's pretty dim. I got my girlfriend working on it, but as you can see I only got the one LED light bar all the way out there. But as far as the rest of the garage is concerned, it's pretty dim, especially on the other edge. This is what the package looks like. It's basically got a bunch of LED tubes just like this. Test the tubes to make sure they work first. I don't know why she's over here scratching it against the ground. And oh my god, that's right, 6500 lumens. And we got the rest of the pack to go. And yeah, we got a ladder. We got all of our studs already marked out for us, so we're a little spoiled. We didn't have too much space. If you look over there, there's like a concrete block for some reason. And if you look right here, this little garage thing gets in the way, and if you try to go horizontal, it won't fit. Try not to drop it. We're gonna time skip, and we're gonna have at least one hexagon up by the time you see us next. I fuck. He's standing like human. So we have 1.5 hexagons up before you put the last piece of the hexagon in to connect. So don't put in that last screw. That way you have enough leeway to play with these two. And from here it's kind of complicated. You just kind of have to mash them in together like that. And yeah, see how I still have enough play to do whatever I want. That's pretty much what you want. Okay. So after 4 grueling hours, I have finished up the last hexagon. That is bright. That looks pretty sick, huh? Mm-hmm. That's the new hexagon light. That's our old LED light. Pretty big difference. Now this entire thing is lit up. There's my dog. Look at him go. He's 7. His name's Cole. He's a shop dog. This is what it looks like without the other light on. Wow. Absolutely no difference. I'm gonna go pull in my car and you guys can see how nice it'll look with all the rain shining off of it real quick. Ignore my messy garage, I swear I'm gonna clean it tomorrow. But here's what my track car looks like in the middle of the night. Exterior view from what it looks like from the outside. It's kind of getting blocked by my actual garage door though, now I realize it. No, not really. From the outside, that's what it looks like from the outside. Now I can see my tools in the middle of the nighttime since I'm not relying on just one light. They gave us an extra bulb. No idea what it's for, but I guess we could use it as a replacement. Install is fairly easy, it's just tedious. Make sure you have a second person. That always helps to pass around all this stuff to you. Let me show you guys a before with the one light. So you can see very dim. Can't really make too much stuff out. I can't really see into my engine bay and into my toolbox. You know, I can still see in my toolbox of course, but it's not as lit up as if I had a gigantic LED light open. Looks awesome. Now I don't have to squint so hard. Ignore all my trash. I'm gonna clean it out soon. But now I can perfectly see in my toolbox. This is what it looks like in daytime. My garage is fully lit up. You probably can't tell because the camera doesn't really do it much justice, but I got the light with an extension cord. It's gonna go all the way to my wall over there. I'm gonna put up some sticky tabs to hold it in place. I'm gonna use some of these to hold it in place. Double-sided hooks or clips or whatever. This will fit just like this. It'll squeeze into place and hold it pretty securely.